Xiamen NeTe Sanitary Co Limited was established in 2015, covering an area of 6,000 square meters, located in Xiamen, China. The location is excellent, and the transportation is convenient. We focus on the research, development, production, and sales of bidet, toilet seat, sprayers, travel bidets, and related bathroom sanitary products. The company has been adhering to the production philosophy of environmental protection, energy saving, technology, and innovation, and is committed to solving public health problems. With strong technology and R&D strength, Xiamen NeTe has obtained more than 40 patents and has been recognized as high-technology enterprise by the government. We, knowing that the development of the company depends on the innovation and quality of the products. So, since its establishment, Xiamen NeTe has been absorbing and learning advanced methods of business and management. From raw materials to product shipment, have strict quality control to ensure that customers receive satisfactory product, and has successfully passed the ISO9001 Quality Management System certification in 2021. The product's yield rate is 99.8%, which gives guarantee for the company's continuous and stable supplyability. We are market-oriented, innovation as the core, and quality-based to provide our customers with honest, high-quality, and efficient services. And we are willing to be your reliable long-term partner. Warmly welcome to visit NeTe.